Ever wondered how to add custom code to your WordPress site safely without breaking anything? Today, I'm going to show you a simple and beginner-friendly way to add code snippets using a plugin. The easiest and safest method is using a code snippets plugin like Code Snippets or WP Code. These plugins give you a centralized place to manage all your code with options to activate, deactivate, or even run code conditionally without touching your theme files. First, go to your WordPress dashboard and navigate to plugins greater than Add New. In the search bar, type Code Snippets or WP Code, then click Install Now and activate. Once activated, you'll see a new menu item called Snippets in your dashboard. Click Add New, give your snippet a descriptive title, and paste your code into the editor. Most plugins let you choose the type of code, PHP, HTML, CSS, or JavaScript, and even set where it should run, like site-wide, on specific pages, or in the header or footer. Once everything is set, make sure the snippet status is set to active, then click Save or Save Changes and activate. That's it. Your code is now live, safe, and easy to manage. Using a plugin not only keeps your site secure, but also keeps your custom code organized and easy to update. So next time you need to add a snippet, skip editing theme files and stick to this simple plugin method. Adding custom code has never been easier, and now you're ready to do it confidently.